Hey guys, me Penguin again. So there was one thing I forgot to mention in my last video about some redstone stuff. Where'd that house go? Yeah, so I build a lot of redstone locks, traps, basically anything that somebody could make out of redstone, basically. So I'm just gonna show you one example if I can find the house that I built this person for. Is it over here? Yes, it's right here. It's just one of my friend's houses. He built it. I just did all the security work and everything. Yeah, so he just put a random piston there. I don't know why. That's weird. So this is my combination lock, each by numbers, and this combination just happens to be 1, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12, 16, 17. So I shall put that combination lock, or put the combination in for the lock that I just made. Let's see, piece of paper. Let's see, start out by 1. Oh yeah, and you can, here I'll flick them all on, and like they're all off, or they were all off right now. So, and the door is right here. So, and here's all on. And it still does nothing. So what I actually did is there's inverters on a certain one which disrupts the power. So you have to have the exact right combination in or it will not open. I also do this for buttons, like a 9-digit button pad that I have a bunch of other worlds. So I'll probably show you that later. So yes, I do 1, 4, 7, 8, 10, then it's 12, then 16, 18, 16, and then 18. Wait for it. Dang it, door. 1, 4. Here, let me check, make sure it's alright. Oh, that's right. I put down 16, 18. It's 16, 17. And there we go. Starting to scare myself for a second there. I don't know what's on the chest, and I'll probably get in trouble for trying to show you. Yeah, so that's the exact I guess I can show you how it works. There's inverters on these, so it changes it from an inverter is, yeah, let's give you the definition. An inverter is it takes either if there's power into it, then it won't be power on the other side, I guess. But if there's not power into it, there'll be power on the other side because it's with some torch being controlled by everything. So yeah, this is how I did it. I do this all the time. Like I said, I also make button locks. I could teach, or I have classes that I teach people, and I also just do it for them if they don't really want to bother the time for it. So yes, I will see you guys later.